everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download UAE visit visa online. So in order to do it, you first need to launch your UAE Pass mobile application, and then you just have to provide your login credentials and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, your home page will look something like this, where you need to click on the add documents option, and then you will be landed on this page where in the issued section you won't be able to see any documents. So we need to request the document. For that, you need to click on request a document, and then you just have to simply click on this option that would be Federal Authority for Identity. After clicking on this option, you will see the visitor visa, so you will have to click on that, and then you will be redirected on the next page where your ID will be selected in the top, and it will also show you your ID number. So you need to wait for some time until it gives you the document. So you just have to simply turn this toggle button on. It will be the consent, so you need to simply click on the confirm option, and then it will show you that your document has been requested successfully, and now you need to press OK. Then in the documents section, you will see your visitor visa, so you need to click on the three dots, and from here you can easily download it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.